Oh, sabi ko na nandito eh. Andyan. Ayan na ginamit mo. Ayan, may short. May short ka pa dyan. Sabi ko sa'yo, nalis mo eh. Sabi ko na nga, nawawala. Ikaw lang makakakita. Naka. Naka.
Okay, so this AC adapter is actually working then compatible with my monitor. So yeah, it's actually a legit product, but the power cord is kind of short, this one. But this product, this AC adapter is legit and working properly. Thank you, seller.
Ako, magpantalonin nyo to.
Ano ko eh? Kryptonite? Sana green pa.
Dalawa tayo may palex eh. Charot na. Okay.
Invited
It was not easy. He was from the shepherd boy before